art friends. Today in Kitty Kanjo, we're going to learn how to draw a funny stack of pumpkins. So let's start drawing. To make the outline of the pumpkin at the bottom, draw a half circle, then a curved line at the left side, and two longer curved lines, one on each side. Draw two circles for the eyes, a triangle in the middle for the nose, and two curved lines for the mouth, connected together at the corner, with the upper line having some half squares. Draw a few curved lines above the eyes and around the mouth to give the pumpkin some texture. Draw the outline of the pumpkin in the middle. It looks the same like the first one, but just a little smaller. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For the eye, draw a small curved line. Draw an incomplete oval shape on top. Repeat the same step for the other eye. Draw a triangle in the middle for the nose. Draw a U shape for the mouth. And another line with half squares above it, connected together at the corner. Decorate this pumpkin with a few curved lines, similar to the first one. Draw the outline of the third pumpkin, making its bottom part partially hidden behind the middle pumpkin. For the eyes, draw two curved lines to make happy eyes. Then draw a triangle in the middle for the nose. Then draw the mouth, similar to the one we made for the first pumpkin. Decorate the pumpkin similarly. Well done! Now you can draw a stack of funny pumpkins. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show about reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.